Today in the garage at the Indian Motorcycle Product Development Center, we're going to talk about the Stage 2 Performance Kit. Dan, this is a little more involved than your typical bolt-on product. What can you tell me about this? What exactly comes with this?
Well, the kit comes with a new throttle body. So the stock body is 54 millimeters. We give you a 60 mil. It comes with 2 high-flow injectors, and it comes obviously with 3 cams. The kit gives you about a 17% increase in horsepower, so it's a pretty big bolt-on. And the cool thing is, it's about a 3-hour install.
It's great. You know, you said it before, was that this is already an incredibly responsive motorcycle. The throttle response is right on. It's there when you need it. And I'm really anxious to try this out with the Stage 2 kit.
Yeah, I mean, you take this through the hills, and when everybody else is downshifting to get up that hill, you're just accelerating. Same with on highway for passing. You don't downshift to pass, you throttle up to pass. The sound benefit is there, the performance benefit there. And truthfully, fuel economy is about as good or better than stock as well. So there's lots of benefits to putting Stage 2s in. See what I say? So cool.
Feel it instantly.
Gotta love cams, right?
Gotta love cams. Gotta love cams. This thing, right from startup, the cams, the way they lobe, you can feel it, you can hear it. It's amazing.
But it certainly does pull, right?
It does, and that's what I like to call a seat of the pants feel, right? This is a modification that you can feel in the seat of your pants. As soon as you get on the throttle, it's pulling on you. You can feel it. The power's there. It's responsive. It's really smooth, and it pulls hard all the way through the RPM range.